Good morning students, I am Harbir Kaur and I am your business studies teacher. Okay, so today the date is 25 March 2023. So I am going to discuss a very interesting topic with you all today. Okay, so for that first we will discuss about some activities. Okay, tell me what kind of activities do you do or you see in your day-to-day life? Yes. Okay, so your father goes to work daily. Okay. Your mother prepares food for you. Okay. Your brother helps in your home assignments. Okay. You saw hawker selling food items in the street. Okay. So these are various kinds of activities we see and we also do such activities. Okay, give me some more examples. Okay. You go to park daily with your friends. Okay. And you go to dinner for weekends. Okay. So today this is our topic. This is called as human activities, and these activities are divided into two parts mainly, and these are known as economic activity and non-economical activities. Okay, the number of examples you have given me, some of these are examples are which we get for earning money, and some examples are that we do for out of love or affection. Okay, so we will firstly define economical activities and then we will define non-economical activities. Economical activities are those activities which we do for earning livelihood and also for money, right? And non-economical activities are those activities which are done out of love and affection, right? Okay, so now class, I will also want to have some more examples from you. So you will tell me what kind of activities do your father or mother do to earn livelihood, or by what source money comes into your home. Okay, give me some example. Okay, your father is a CA. Okay. Your father is a farmer. Okay. Your mother is a teacher. Okay, very good. Your father goes to shop daily. Okay, it means he is a business owner. Okay. Your father is employed in accounting firm. Okay. Your mother works in MNC. Okay. So amongst all these examples you have given me, these are broadly defined in three types. This business, and second is employment, and the third one is profession. So class, we will now discuss about all these three types. First is business. So tell me what your father do to what kind of business your father do. Okay. Yes ma'am, please tell me what kind of business your father do. Okay, he is a shop seller. Okay. So I will have to rub the board to get it to further. Business. Okay, coming to the definition of business, I will tell you that business is an economical activity. What is it? It is an economical activity which is done on daily basis. How it is done? On daily basis, right? And its main motive is what? To earn profit. And in it also risk is also involved, because you do not know if there will be profit or if there will be loss. So risk element is involved in it, right? After that, I can say you, if your consumer is not satisfied, you cannot do your business very well. So consumer satisfaction is the main point. And there is also a form of utility. That means why you are conducting your business, to give something to the society, right? Okay, so business is an economical activity which is performed on daily basis and which main motive is to earn profit, and in it risk element is involved, and here consumer satisfaction is the main point, and here utility is also a main concern which is involved in it. Okay, so if you have understood it or write it down, then I will take you to the next topic, which is employment, right?